All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Okay, so it looks like the market took another tank. Bitcoin's at 85.9, which it's not that bad because remember a couple weeks ago we were at 81, 82. We did go up a little bit to 87, so it is a decline from where we were a couple days ago, or I think it was yesterday. And also, if Bitcoin's suffering, obviously the altcoins are suffering as well. So again, like we predicted, I think this month is going to be a down and end up being a down month for crypto, probably down and then a slight bounce with some consolidation. But it looks like it is going to be somewhat of a down month, which may continue into the beginning of January of the new year, and then maybe we see some relief. But we could still have a Santa rally like most people are expecting. There is a couple weeks left in December, but not looking too hot, right? Okay, so that's where Bitcoin's at. And actually, let me check my mic really quick. Give me a second. Let me check my mic. Like most people are expecting, there is a couple weeks left in December, but not looking too hot, right? Okay, so that's where. All right, looks like the mic is working pretty good. So yeah, that's where Bitcoin's at, 85.9. The daily markets. Let's look at the equities. So broad risk equities, SPY, S&P down negative 1%. QQQs are down negative 1.84%. The Dow down 0.46%. Big theme, AI tech weaknesses after renewed concerns about AI infrastructure spending, funding, things like Oracle. They're saying like Oracle's spending so much money on AI infrastructure that it's losing a lot of money each month. But again, I think AI is going to be the future. I think it's going to blend well into crypto. Those two go good hand in hand. And I don't think it's going to stop. So the fact that they're just losing a lot of money, I think it's just the upfront investment right now. But again, I think there's a lot of production that's going to be made with AI that we still have yet to see. Things like the self-driving, restaurants, and plenty more areas that are going to be using AI that I don't even think we scratched the surface yet. So I think it's a lot of fear, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But I think we bounce back beginning of next year, or maybe even by the end of this month. Who knows? Because again, remember, we are in an interest rate cutting environment. And obviously, the interest rate cut in January is still not on the table, but it could change. We are getting CPI data this week. I believe it's tomorrow. So that is actually something we need to pay attention to, because if it shows that inflation is getting out of control, then that will be bullish, I guess, for a rate cut, right? Although the focus of the Fed right now is kind of jobs, but still inflation numbers, CPI data still have an impact. It's still one of their mandates, the inflation target. It's just that they're focusing more on job numbers. Okay, blue chip stock check. Examples, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is down 3.73%. Apple's down about 1%. Amazon's down about 0.5%. Microsoft is down like 0.04%, so not much. JP Morgan down 0.17%. Crypto, we went over it. Bitcoin's down. Ethereum's down about negative 4.68%. Solana's down about 5%. And a lot of the altcoins are suffering a lot more. Obviously, when Bitcoin goes down, what is it, 2%, altcoins go down like 10 times that, right? So that's just the nature. Hopefully this is not freezing. That's just the nature of crypto. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, rates, funding, financial conditions. Chicago Fed NFIC, 0.55%. Financial conditions. Let's see, Fed actions help calm year ending. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. The market is not doing too hot today. The Bitcoin's down. The overall markets are down. blue chip stocks are down, Nvidia, things like the plays like that. So again, all eyes on the CPI data that's going to come out tomorrow. See if that affects the Fed rate that we may get in January, which doesn't look too good because I believe we're at like around 25%. But if the CPI data comes in favorable, it would be good to watch out for that for the Fed Watch tool to see if our percentage chance of getting a rate cut goes up. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for the market update today. Not much. Good time to dollar cost average into your favorite plays if you have extra capital. But I think 2026 is going to be a bullish year, and I don't think there's a need to sell off positions, right? It's just my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's play a couple games of Blitz, a few games of Blitz, and I'll be done for the day. All right. Uh, uh, Alrighty. Hmm. Darn it. I think I'm good. Think I'm good. All right. Got that W. W's always great. Okay, let me do one more. I'll do one more and then that's it. Unless somebody pops in and wants to play. All right, I think we're good. All right, one more game. Short live stream today. Not much financial news. Again, we need to pay attention to the CPI report that's coming out tomorrow. It could change the direction of the market. Who knows? The market's really finicky. So any type of information, it just eats it up. Is that a free piece? All right. Oh my goodness. How did I like not see that? Yeah, now he wants to talk. All right. Great. Ooh, can't take it. And game over. Let's see if he wants a rematch. I don't think he does. Told you. He don't want the rematch. I said that was my last game. All right, let me do one more. That one was not that good. This will be my last one. My real last one. There. Boom. 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 I feel like I should be able to get this W. Darn it. Should be fine though. Yeah, I think he got this one just off the pawns. If he doesn't take, yeah, I think he got this one just off the pawns. I could be wrong though. I think I'm gonna take this pawn right here if he lets. Yeah, yeah. Darn it. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. Yeah, he got me. All right, I'll take that L. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Not much going on in the market. Bitcoin's down. Equities are down. We are waiting for CPI data tomorrow. And just kind of waiting for the new year. This year has been good in the beginning as far as price action, but price action towards the end has been sliding down. And I think we're just waiting for more interest rate cuts and more positive catalysts to propel the market up. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.